Hi guys, welcome to Sabondi Academy. In today's video, we'll be solving the question 2 of the 2020 June core maths theory questions. So we'll begin with the question 2a. Make y the subject of the relation p is equal to 2x times the square root of q multiplying 1 plus r squared over y squared all over s. So let's begin with the solution for our question. Our p is equal to 2x square root of q times 1 plus r squared over y squared all over s. And we are being asked to make y the subject. So first, we can divide both sides by 2x. So when you divide here by 2x, here by 2x, 2x cancels 2x. You have p over 2x is equal to the square root of q multiplying 1 plus r squared over y squared all over s. Now we can get rid of the square root sign by multiplying both sides by squared. So if you multiply here by square and here by square, the square cancels the square root. So then our p over 2x all squared will be equal to q multiplying 1 plus r squared over y squared all over s. So to get rid of the fraction, we multiply both sides by s. So if we multiply here by s, so s, and here by s, s cancels s. So we have s p over 2x squared is equal to q multiplying 1 plus r squared over y squared. Now we can divide both sides by q. So when we divide here by q and here by q, q cancels q. So we have s over q multiplying p over 2x all squared is equal to 1 plus r squared over y squared. Now this can also be written as s over q multiplying p over 2x all squared minus 1 is equal to r squared over y squared. Now to get rid of the fraction, we multiply both sides by y squared. So when we do that, we have this side times y squared and this side times y squared. So y squared cancels y squared. So we have y squared times s over p times p over 2x minus 1 is equal to r squared. But we need y, so we can divide everything here. So we divide both sides by s over p multiplying p over 2x all squared minus 1 and divide this side too by. So this is supposed to be q, from here is q. So we change this to q, this to q. So s over q multiplying p over 2x all squared minus 1. Now the whole of this cancels the whole of this. So our y squared will be equal to r squared all over s over q multiplying p over 2x all squared minus 1. So to make y the subject, we take the square root of both sides. So we have the square root of this side and the square root of this side. And when we do that, the square cancels the square root. So our y will be equal to the square root of r squared divided by s over q times p over 2x all squared minus 1. So this will be our final answer. So we'll be moving on to the question 2b. Now don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't hesitate to leave your questions in the comment section. So question 2b. Given that m is equal to 3, n is equal to -2, and x is equal to -1, evaluate 2mn squared x divided by 3m minus n. So let's begin with the solution for question 2b. So our m is equal to 3, our n is equal to -2, and our x is equal to -1. And we are evaluating 2mn squared x all over 3m minus n. Now this can be written as 2 multiplying m is 3. So 3 n squared, and n is -2, so -2 squared, and x is -1. All divided by 3m, so we have 3m, and m is 3, so we have 3 minus our n, which is -2, so -2. So we have 2 multiplying 3. -2 squared is 4 times -1 all over 3 multiplying 3 is 9 minus 2. Now this is equal to, so 2 times 3 is 6, 6 times 4 is 24, and 24 times -1 is -24. All divided by n, so negative, we have +2. So then we have -24 divided by 11. And this can be written as, -2 whole number 2 over 11. So this brings us to the end of question 2b. In our next video, we'll be solving the question 3 of the 2020 WASSCE Core Maths Theory questions.